Welcome back friends in our channel Art Life with Mohammad Shahzad. Today we are going to make a multicolor cooling frame, flower shaped frame. It's 30 by 30 frame size. For that we need 15 mm dia, 10 mm round dia, around 7 mm round shape glow stick, 2 rounds, 10, 20 and 40 that I will tell you to make the round, and cooling tool, glue and some multicolor strips. So friend, first of all we will start from the beginning. We have two rounds, 20 and 40. We need a strip. First we have to make the round from top. We make some rounds opposite side. Just making rounds to cover up the two rounds. Make like this and put in the and also 150 mm. I will make this one also. We got it, the other one also, and put this one. This one also you have to make the bigger one, 75 to 100 round, 2 rounds, and make same shape inside with this one. Next we have to make the petals. For that we need 150 mm dark brown shape color, dark brown color strip. Make it tight roll and put in the die of 15 mm round. Put it the glue and press from the corner and make it the petal shape, as you can see. The next one we need rounds, red round. For that we need one strip of 150 mm. We are using the red strip for here and make it the tight roll. The red tight roll, as you can see there. The next step friends, we need petal. We have to make the petal. First of all we use the 150 mm strip with the cooling tool and make the tight roll. And you make the tight roll, like put the glue and keep like this shape of roll, and the 150 mm strip put 75 mm strip orange exact to put the die of 10 mm. Then put the glue and press from the one corner little bit shape of curve, and take one pencil and put inside in this shape. Put some glue inside and put the orange one inside in this shape. You can get the petal of orange and blue. The outer, the second last step, we need 150 mm strip we have to make the tight roll and put the die of 15 mm. After that, put the glue and put both corners, press and little bit bend like a square shape. You can get that shape. Also, the last step we have to do same with which we did the first step of the dark brown petal. Same like that. And press from the top. And so friends, we got all our samples from beginning to end, and I will tell you the about the rounds, the next step, and everything, every single thing, how many things we need, quantity, I will tell you. So finally friends, we got our stuff. The stuff you can see with the quantity I mentioned, every single stuff, and I will tell you about the rounds. The round which I made the small one before and bigger one, you have to make same like that. The middle one we need 20 mm and the outer one we need 40. Here we need 75 in inner and outer we need 100 mm. After that we have to draw the round of 100 mm. This one, the next one is 115 mm. The second last one 160, and the last one 195 mm round. We did not put the paper, we just draw the round and put the all the stuff over there. So let's get started friends to putting on the stuff, putting stuff on the paper. Finally friends, we complete and make our multicolor cooling flower shape frame with the multicolor paper cooling strips in a round shape. I hope you learn our many things from this video. If you have any question, please comment below the video or ask me personally. I will answer you, and we will meet in the next tutorial. Until next video friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.